Hey guys, this is Luigi the Italian cooking guy coming back at you, and today we are making a pepperoni and cheese bread. And we got the dough right here. I was just thinking, well, first of all, let's go over the ingredients. I always forget to go over the ingredients first. See what head injuries will do to you? Okay, so shout out to Sargento. Awesome cheese, thank you. We appreciate your amazing products and your generosity. We got some pepperoni. So this is Sargento. This is mozzarella. This is whole milk mozzarella. One of the key components in the stuffed bread. Another key component is the pepperoni. The olive oil spray we're going to use on the pan so the bread doesn't stick. We got some grated cheese here. Crushed black pepper, salt, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and this, not cocaine. No. Don't say that, Luigi, don't say that. No, this is powder. We're throwing it in. Throw the powder down over here, okay? Get it all nice. Get the powder. Don't be afraid to use it. Don't be cheap. It's very inexpensive. Don't tell nobody, but I'm gonna make 2 breads, watch. But I'm going to get you guys on track here for the pepperoni and mozzarella. I should have put a little flour in this bowl. You know, these things happen, you know. Okay, we're going to cut that in half. Here we go. If you don't have one of these, you can just use a knife. Okay, throw this back over here. Okay, cool. Here we go. Okay, so you're gonna want to press it out. Okay, my hands are already pre-washed. Everything's washed out, right? You want to say, Luigi, woo! Oh, making a mess. Who's cleaning that up, huh? Ain't gonna be me. I'm not doing it. I'm not cleaning it up. All right, I'm just not gonna do it. Okay, so you just stretch it out. Go easy. Don't tear it. Don't be an animal. I know I'm usually a crazy freaking maniac over here, but just take your time with it. See how it's already stretching out? See? We got some other good recipes coming up. I found my father's recipe for his bacalao salad. God rest his soul. Miss him. The second Christmas without him. But, you know, it is what it is. But I'm looking forward to making that. It's actually soaking right now. You guys want to take a peek? No, you don't want to take a peek. The bacalao is soaking in the refrigerator right now. Okay, and that's about it. So we're gonna the rolling pin it out. If you don't have a rolling pin, you could use basically anything. I mean, I've actually used wine bottles before to roll stuff out. You know, there's nothing saying you got to use a rolling pin, right? Forget about it. You don't want to use a rolling pin, don't use a rolling pin. If it's Luigi's kitchen, just like you, when you're making it in your kitchen, you make it how you want. All right? All right. Perfect. Throw this down on here, the pepperoni. Let's do it this way, make it a little longer. We're just gonna load it up in there with pepperoni, because who the hell doesn't like pepperoni? Are you kidding me? Who does not like pepperoni? Ah, yeah, good stuff. Throw it in, forget about it. Just throw it in there, okay? Throw it in, okay? And I think that's enough. I'm not too carried away. A little bit of cheese over here, grated cheese. All right, so this is all gonna blend nicely together. No, Ashpat. The cheese goes first. The mozzarella goes before that. You know why the mozzarella goes first? Because it's Sargento's, right? Forget about it. Because the mozzarella, you put the mozzarella down, you put the other ingredients on top of the mozzarella, and when the mozzarella melts, it gets liquidy. It gets soft. And what's the word I'm thinking about? In any event, it loosens up, gets nice, it gets creamier in there. The sauce. The cheese, and it absorbs all the flavors of the herbs and spices that we're putting in. Okay, all right, enough talking. Throw it in. Okay, last video I did, I told you guys it was going to be like, what'd I tell you? it was going to be 10 minutes, but it wound up being 20 minutes. I'm sorry, don't get mad. This one is like going to be a short video because we're not going to wait for it to bake or any of that. Should we throw more in there? Throw a little more. Throw it in. We're going to throw it over here too. Watch. Whoop. No more of the whoops. All right, all right. Crushed black pepper, okay? Hey guys, if you guys have one of these ground pepper things and the pepper's coming out too coarse, there's a little adjustment right here. Just screw it clockwise and it'll come out nice and fine, okay? Just a little Chef Luigi tip for you. Okay. A little Himalayan salt. I like the Himalayan salt. It's natural. Who the hell knows what the hell we're eating over here in the with that other crazy salt that they bleach and dye and all this other crap. Himalayan salt is just natural salt from Salt Rock. All right. Put a little oregano. Okay, that's enough on the oregano. A little garlic powder. Throw it over there. I like the garlic, huh? A little bit more. Okay. How much? Enough. We'll have all the ingredients at the end of the video. This is the onion powder. We're throwing a little onion powder right on there. Okay. Okay. Close that down. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna come over here. Okay. You saw the papers, Anthony. My head was out to here. Remember? I mean, come on. You gotta wind up a lemons in the back of a trunk somewhere and went over the weeds. Forget about it. Make the freaking bread. Come on. Got time for this. Fold it over and throw it in the oven and get it moving. Nice. Okay. Bring the other side. So you're going to fold it over like a little, like you're putting it in a pocket. You know, like you're just putting it right in the pocket. Just throw it right in the pocket. Okay. This one's going to come over here. I got a little hole over there, but guess what? Luigi doesn't care. You know why? Because we're going to make some slashes on there. You're going to want to make some cuts on your bread because you're going to want all the air pockets to get out of there. I mean, I'm sorry. You're going to want all the air pockets to get out of there. So you're going to want to make an escape route for these guys. Okay? Yeah. Some of this over here. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. How's that, huh? How's that? It's a nice loaf, right? Forget it. Let me grab a knife. I'm sorry, guys. I should have had the knife over there. I forgot. I had I needed it last night and I forgot to, whatever. Okay, look at that. Huh? Forget about it. You don't gonna go bananas over here. Okay, take your pan. Take the pan. Get your spray. It doesn't have to be olive oil spray. It could be any other, whatever non-stick spray you have. Spray it. Okay. Put that over here. Ash back. Okay. I had to go to Restaurant Depot. I bought this thing, right? Bought this thing, Restaurant Depot. I don't know, $18, whatever it was. I go to the dollar store, they have them. Okay, here we go. Throw it in. Look at that. That bread is gonna be lovely. Okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven. The oven's at 475. I'm sorry. No, not 475. I'm sorry, the oven is at 425. We're gonna throw this in and that's it. We'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, we are about to pull these breads, and I say breads because I did make another one, there's two. Okay, so 20-25 minutes depending upon your oven. At 425 for 20-25 minutes, depending upon your oven, okay? All right, here we go. We got one steak cheese pepperoni and one cheese and pepperoni. Let's check these babies out. So we're gonna take them out. I'll put them right on the counter over there. There you go. See how nicely they come off when you spray your pan? Look at that. It's gonna even out a little bit. Here. Oh. Do we bust them down the middle and show you guys, or what? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Huh? Hash bread. Look at that. Beautiful, delicious bread. Huh? 25 minutes at 425. That's your pepperoni and cheese. Look at that. How's that for a little pepperoni, cheese, and steak and onion? Ha 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 ha. Does Luigi try it? I don't know, man. Hell no, that looks a little bit too hot for me to be trying. But we're gonna give it a go, right? Ah, there we go. Come on. Okay. Man, that was hot as hell. Okay. So, if you let it sit for like a minute or so and let it rest, you'll probably be a little bit better off. So, but here, just for you guys, I'm gonna burn my mouth. All right. What am I gonna do? Throw it in. I can't even hold this freaking thing. It's so hot. You kidding me? Oh my God. That's delicious. I'm gonna try the steak and cheese and pepperoni a little after. Let it sit for a little bit. But guys, this is it. I can't even hold them. Let me zoom in on those babies. Pepperoni and cheese. We're gonna hit you with the ingredients. Okay, you got, the ingredients. 425, 20 to 25 minutes. If you enjoy this video and you like the bread, I'll tell you what. First of all, let me tell you this. If you enjoyed the video, you like the bread, share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button. Luigi appreciates all the love and support. I have well over 100,000 views on my videos. Check them out, eat them up and enjoy them. And you want to do a little standoff with Luigi, huh? Do the standoff. Make the pepperoni and cheese. Then you do the steak, cheese, and pepperoni. You let me know what you like first. I mean best first. What? You see what I mean? I just whoop. But that's it. This is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, saying salute. Salute. Sotto buono, my paesans.